I don't suffer. If not be money matter, wetin concern me at this premature barbecue for junction?
Who be this one? Who you say you be safe? Come on, bros.
No add me join this one mumu thing when I do for you so. I not been a mate. I be all that ASHAWO for this area. Forget about old age. If they say me they talk about age, with the way I take come fully loaded. See, you be small pikin. One or two not use me knack teeth too. Anybody come here, they never carry me, they never carry any of you. They know that one.
No, I like them. Hello, Johnson. Alpha, what's up with the transaction? My friend, don't tell me that. Who use them? See, my friend, if you don't want me to get you arrested, send me my money right now.
Mama, what did happen? What's the problem?
Is it that there's no safe and good place to sell Bitcoin and iTunes card here?
Haven't you heard of JTech Trade?
What do you call it?
JTech Trade is the best when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. They buy Bitcoin, they buy gift cards, in fact, all types of cryptocurrencies, and they will credit you instantly.
You don't mean it.
Their services is fast and reliable. They trade directly on their website at www.jtechtrade.com.
Wow, so fast.
They've credited you?
Yes.
You see?
This is so nice. For this street, I will do you well.
I will do you well too. I'm coming.
These people, they are so nice.
Hello, Solo. How go they go now?
Go they go well oh.
See, immediately you just come out, now police your bust us. Now japa me japa oh.
As me and my customer enter inside hotel room, instantly now the creditor. See now, I enter bedroom, come to wash my clothes purposely. You know why? Me know say the clothes no go dry. Yes. So by tomorrow now, she go tell me say me mistake because my clothes no dry. She go pay me double day.
As you dey come.
Come off for my phone ni. I go buy you Indomie, I go bye now.
Oh boy,
Mama.
have we talked about your price?
Never talk.
So how much is this?
No, na small 15,000 naira.
50 what? You cost oh. See, let me not lie to you. The only money I have now is 7,000 naira.
My short time now 85 now they collect. Now you want pay me 7,000 for full day and night when you carry me?
You don't want, you leave.
When I don't wash my trouser, Mama, I be person pikin oh.
Are you doing or not?
Mama, bring her.
My dear, I don't have 7,000 naira again. The only money I have with me now is 1,500.
Yeah!
Is it that you do or you make use of it though?
Mama, fear God though. Fear God. Oh, you are bring the 1,500. I go manage her.
I'm not interested again. I'm not in the mood.
Mama, you go do oh.
Please, I'm not in the mood again.
Na joke you dey. I don't wash my clothes. I mean want to come off for here. What I want wear come off for hotel room.
I said I'm not in the mood again. Do you want me to call police on you?
You go call police oh. That police you call her.
You think I'm joking with you?
Mama, you go do oh. Yeah! Yeah!